Hey guys, welcome to 2017 MCAT preparation, merit or excellence questions. This is question 19 in this series. So today's question is, show that any odd number squared is always one more than a multiple of 4. Okay, so how do we go about this question? Now, if you've been watching my series of videos here, you know that an odd number could be said as 2n plus 1. So we can say let odd number equal 2n plus 1. So what we're trying to say is that any odd number squared, so we got to square this odd number, is always one more than a multiple of 4. So I guess the way we go about it is take 2n plus 1 and actually square it and see what happens. So when we square this, we're going to get 2n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1. So it's just a straightforward quadratic. Expand the quadratic, so you got 4n squared plus 2n plus another 2n plus 1, and simplify this, and this is equal to 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. Now I guess I'm going to go down to this part here. See how it says it's one more than a multiple of 4. Now if you think about a multiple of 4, it's, well, you've got 4 times 1 is a multiple of, well, 4 is a multiple of, geez, I'm getting this wrong. 4 is a multiple of itself. Then you've got 8, then you've got 12, then you've got 16. These are all multiples of 4s. All right, but what you'll notice is every one of these multiples of 4, it's actually 4 times a particular number. All right, so let's go back to our solution here, and what you'll notice is you've actually got two 4s here. So I'm going to take the 4 out as a common factor and rewrite that first two terms as n squared plus n plus 1. And from here you can see that, I mean, if you go back to my table here, so if you have 4 times any number, then you're going to get a multiple of 4. And likewise here, because this 4 is getting multiplied by this number, this entire thing here will be a multiple of 4. And if you go back to the question, you can actually see that, show that any odd number squared, which we've done, is always one more than a multiple of 4. So what you have to do in this particular question is say that 4n squared plus n must be a multiple of 4. And when the odd number is expanded, so basically just rewriting the question again, when odd number is not expanded, is squared, answer is always one more than a multiple of 4. Okay, hope you guys got the hang of this little tricky question, but that's basically it for this session, guys. Thank you for watching, and tune in later on today for another question. Okay, thanks again for watching.